Gold prices hit close to a 3-month high this week. The question is, can gold keep this momentum going? Joining us today is Jim Wyckoff, Senior Technical Analyst for Kitco Metals. Jim, good to have you back on the show.
Hello, Daniela. Always nice to be with you, and also nice to have the Kitco followers tuning in.
Thank you, Jim. So, more safe haven demand and technical buying featured here for gold. And it seems really that the bulls have the near-term momentum on their side. What are your thoughts on this market, Jim, especially since we keep hearing people say that they're cautiously optimistic?
Yeah, Daniela, the past few weeks, we've actually seen gold trending higher in a choppy fashion on the daily chart, and the bulls do have some technical momentum. Of course, we've seen some safe haven demand due to the shaky world stock markets. In fact, just on Tuesday, the Shanghai stock market fell to a low not seen since 2014. So this is prompting safe haven demand for gold. And the fact that we're seeing that buying interest come in to the gold market, it's improving the technical posture. So you're also seeing the technical buyers start to step back into the market. And then also you're seeing the people that were bearish starting to throw in the towel and do some short covering. So there's a lot of factors working in favor of the gold market bulls at present. Well, importantly, Daniela, we're also starting to see in some markets very early clues that the raw commodity sector may be turning around. Of course, the crude oil market is the raw commodity sector leader. We have more work to do in that market to suggest that a low is in place in crude, but it would not surprise me in the next couple of weeks or few weeks that we're going to see this crude oil market turn around, and then I think you'll see other raw commodity markets start to show some strength also.
All right, Jim. Well, also important is the Fed meeting wraps today. The market is not expecting any rate hikes, but do you have any feeling as to what may come of it? Could it have an impact on gold?
It could, Danielle. It could have an impact on a lot of markets because since the last meeting in mid-December of the FOMC, we've had world stock and financial markets become shakier, become more unstable, and that's benefited gold, but it's also calling into question whether the Fed can raise interest rates anymore anytime soon. So that also is working in favor of the precious metals market bulls. The fact that the Fed may have to back off on wanting to raise interest rates.
All right, Jim. Well, on that note, what is your market rating for gold and silver this week?
Daniela, the Wyckoff's market rating for this week on February Comex gold is 4. The one on silver, March silver, is 3. Those are the highest readings we've seen in quite some time, probably at least a couple of months, if not longer. But they're still into the bearish camp. But the bulls do have momentum, and by the next time we speak, we may see more bullish readings on my Wyckoff's market rating. Now, looking at support and resistance levels for February gold, we see resistance at 1125. We see support at 1097.60. That's this week's low. For silver, we see overhead resistance at 1464, and then support at the $14 level.
Jim, always good to speak with you. Thanks so much for your thoughts today.
Thank you, Daniela. Can't wait till next time. Bye-bye.
And thanks for watching this edition of Kitco's Gold Report. We'll see you tomorrow.